Royal Doulton dinner plate, 10.25 inch, dates from between 1933 and we think 1937. The pattern is one called Wild Flower. It's on this creamy buttermilk yellow background glaze, hand coloured transfer printed decoration. Let's show you the D5273 Wild Flower Doulton lion, crown and orb marks there, D5273 with a D here. That's the batch or run number, I would think. Kiln support marks, 3 of them on the rear, in very fine condition. There's one tiny little antique nick just here. I think it's almost over glazed rather than wear. It may have been in a wire rack at one time, but there's no other evidence of that. Plate surface itself is in very fine condition. Let me get a glaze reflection for you. Occasional knife mark, as you can see, but otherwise very good quality glaze. Nice clean plate. Love the little bright yellow inner rim detailing with this faceted, not properly scalloped. And there's a bit of rib moulding. Can you see here just on the rim? Just palpable rib moulding. Gives these dinner plates a beautiful feel in the hand when you're picking them up. You just feel that quality piece of moulded Royal Doulton from 1930s. Thanks for watching.